Good morning students, welcome to class 4 mathematics. Today we will study chapter 8 workbook, cards and wheels. So here some figures are there. These all figures are closed figures. These are all closed figures. So this figure also closed figure. But these figures are closed with line segments. See, these are line segments closed with line segment. But this is closed figure, but it is not. It has no line segment. It is curved line. This line is curved line. So this is called circle. What is this? This is called circle. You know the cards and wheels. Wheels are there. Wheel means what is it? Like this way. Wheel is there. Wheel means chakka. That is there. So you know that one. This is what type of shape it is. It is a circle shape. So you know that rupees coin, 1 rupee coin or 5 rupees coin or anything. See, like this way. It is rupees 1. It is coin is there. This coin also the shape of the circle. Then this is simple closed figure. It's called circle. It is closed with curved line. It is closed with curved line. It has no line segments. Then it has no line segment and no curve. Edges, you know, this is edge, this side mid, this is vertex, here no vertex and no edges are there. So example is this is rupee coin and wheel. Another thing is there, that is watch, you know, like this, it is also circle. The shape of the watch is circle. This is also example of the. Then these are example of circles. Every point of a circle. Here, how you construct a circle? First, we take this is circle with no line segment. It is a closed figure with a curved line. Then it is no vertex and no edges. So how you construct a line, a circle? You take some measurement. You know this is rounder. You take some measurement and put a place. Suppose you are putting this one in this place. Point. Say this much radius. This is you will take and you will keep here and move. See how it is constructed. This is the center of the circle. Center. This point is the equidistance is there. This point is equidistance to any point of the circle. So this point is called center. How to construct a circle? Understand? You take any measurement from one point you take and draw a line like that. That is every point of a circle at equidistance from a fixed point is called center. Then you will add center to any point of the circle. Anyway, you will add. This is called radius. This is called radius. Do you understand? From center to any point of the circle. Any point. See, you will draw like this. This is also one radius and this is also one radius. From center to any point on the line of the circle. That is called radius. So, these all are radius. What is this? Radius. So, these all radius are equal distance. Equal distance. How much it is there? Suppose it is 2 centimeter is there. It is also 2 centimeter. It is also 2 centimeter. is also 2 centimeter, it is also 2 centimeter. All the radius are equal because the center is equidistance is there. Equidistance. Do you understand what is radius? Now, next, another point is there. That is, see, from the center, you draw one line through the center, join any 2 points of the circle, any 2 points. See, it is passes, this line segment is passes through the center. This line is called diameter. What is the line is called? This line called the diameter. This line is passes through the center. These 2 points are there. Like this way, here also you will draw, no problem. It is also a diameter. Then heavy or CD or pencil. Through the center, how many lines will pass through the center? That is called diameter. So, how many one you can draw that? This is diameter. Then another point is there. Here, a line passes through any 2 points on the circle. So, any point through the circle, any 2 points on the circle. Any side, these 2 points are there. This line segment is called chord. It is not going through the center. It is anywhere. Suppose here another it is also a chord. It is only 2 end points are there. They are going through the on the circle. So another thing is there. It is also a chord. It is also going through the center. It is diameter, but it is a longest chord. So diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So many chords. Here also it is also 2 line segments passing through the center circle. So it is also a chord. Like that, so many chords are there. How many? So chord means, what is the meaning of the chord? Chord means a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord. You understand? So, it is centered, then centered to any point on the circle, that is called radius. It is centered and it is radius. Then it is called diameter. Then it is called chord. Do you understand? These are the points are there in the circle. Diameter from center to any point of the circle, it is called radius. Means this is one radius and it is one radius. So how many radius are there? 2 radius are there. So diameter is 2 into radius. Means 2 radius make one diameter. If radius 1, diameter given, then diameter by 2 you will do, then it will come the radius. Radius means half of the diameter. Do you understand? This diameter is 2 radius, it is 1 radius, it is another radius. 2 radius make 1 diameter. If 1 radius means half of the diameter. Then these are the points of the circle. The diameter is divide the circle into 2 parts. Half of the part is called semicircle. Semicircle means half circle. The diameter is divided the full circle into 2 equal parts. It is one half, it is another half. So half of the circle is called semicircle. Semicircle. Do you understand? These are the parts of circle. Then some questions and you have to write. That is Now you see that here picture given, circle given and parts also given. You have to find which side, which line segment is, what is the name of that. And first you will find what is, it is, O is center. And O, P, C, here to here, O, P and O, S, then O, Q, then O, R. These all are called what? These are radius. Then C, D. What is this? And two endpoints are there on the circle. So this line segment is called chord. Another is there A, B. It is also two points are on the circle. So this is also called chords. Then diameters P, Q and R, S. P, Q and R, S are diameters. Do you understand this? What lines are called? What? Center, radius, chords and diameters. This much for today. Next class we will study some more numbers.